Isambard Kingdom Brunel was an engineer. He built bridges and tunnels and railway lines and ships. One railway line, the Great Western Railway, for example, that he constructed, that goes from London, from Paddington Station, to the west, the Great Western Railway. It goes to the southeast of England, to the West Midlands and to Wales. And many of the things which he built are still standing today. For example, the Clifton Suspension Bridge over the Avon Gorge is still standing today and still in use. Isambard King Brunel, from Portsmouth in England, born in the year 1806. And that is according to the Life in the UK Test Handbook, page 42.